Hello everyone. So this is another question from exponents and powers. We are given 16 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 2x plus 3 is equal to 20. And we need to solve it for x, right? Okay. So here is the solution. Now, what is 16? 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. And why I am doing that? To make the base same. Okay. I will write 2 raised to power 4 raised to power x plus, this is plus 2 raised to power 2x plus 3, and 20 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 times 5, right? 4 times 5 is 20. Now there is one exponent's rule that a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn. Okay, so this will become 2 raised to power, we will multiply the powers. 4 times x is 4x plus 2 raised to power 2x times 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 times 5, right? 2 raised to power 2x times 2 raised to power 3. Why did I do that? Because a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n, right? Okay, so this is 2 raised to power 2x raised to power 2. Can I write it like this? Why? Because I have 2 raised to power 2x here as well, plus 2 raised to power 2x times 8 is equal to 2 raised to power times 2 times 5, right? Now, this is a quadratic equation in 2 raised to power 2x. So, let 2 raised to power 2x is equal to t. Okay. Then we will get t square plus 8t minus, I will write it as 20 only because it didn't help. Okay. So, minus 20, right? Now, we have a quadratic equation and we need to find the value of t. So, I will see, can we get two factors such that when we solve them we get 8 and when we multiply them we get 20. Okay. So, if you see, what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 4 and 5, right? 4 times 5 is 20 and 2 times 10 is also 20. Okay. Now, if I write this as t square plus 10t minus 2t minus 20 is equal to 0. 8t, I just made the factors. 8t can be written as 10t minus 2t. How do we do factors? The sum should be, when we add them, when we solve them, we should get plus 8t, and when we multiply them, we should get minus 20, right? Okay, so here I will take t common from these two, first two. I will get t plus 10, and from these two I will take minus 2 common. I am left with t plus 10, right? So t minus 2, t plus 10 is equal to 0. So either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 10. Okay. So when t is equal to 2, case 1, this is case 1. When t is equal to 2, what is t? T is 2 raised to power 2x, right, is equal to 2. So 2x is equal to what? 2 raised to power 1. You will equate the powers. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. And here you will say 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 10. Right. But here you cannot equate the powers because the base is not same. So what will you do? You will take log both sides. We get ln 2 raised to power 2x is equal to log 10, right? Now here it will become 2x ln 2. Why? Because this is a formula that ln a raised to power b can be written as b ln a, right, is equal to ln 10. So 2x is equal to ln 10 by natural log 2, right? Okay. So x is equal to 1 by 2 natural log 10 by natural log 2, right? So x is equal to What is the value of natural log 10? Approximately 2.3. By 2 times natural log 2 is approximately 0.6. When you solve them, you will get approximately 1.6. Here is our answer. So for more such Olympiad questions, you can visit my channel and you will get many concepts as well there and many short tricks. Thank you.